Chapter 8 Cell, the Unit of Life, Short Notes and Summary from Class 11, Subject Biology. Introduction. All living organisms are made up of cells. The cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Biology's development accelerated after the invention of the microscope. The discovery of the cell was made by Robert Hooke in 1665 through a cork slice. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was the first to observe free living cells. 8.1 What is a cell? The cell is the fundamental unit of life. Organisms can be unicellular, single-celled like amoeba or multicellular like humans. A single cell performs all essential life processes in unicellular organisms. Cells differ in shape, size and function. 8.2 Cell theory proposed by Schleiden 1838 and Schwann 1839. All living organisms are composed of cells. Cell is the basic unit of life. Rudolf Virchow 1855 added, Omnis cellula e cellula, new cells arise from pre-existing cells. Modern cell theory, all living organisms are made up of cells. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. Cells contain hereditary material. Cells perform all essential life functions. 8.3 An overview of cell. Cells vary in number, shape and size. Cell types: prokaryotic, simple, no membrane bound organelles, example bacteria; eukaryotic, complex, with membrane bound organelles, example plants, animals. Key differences: nucleus absent in prokaryotes, present in eukaryotes; membrane bound organelles absent in prokaryotes. 8.4 Prokaryotic cells found in bacteria, cyanobacteria, mycoplasma, lack membrane-bound organelles and a well-defined nucleus. Components: cell envelope composed of glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane. Cytoplasm, no organelles. Nucleoid, genetic material not enclosed in membrane. Ribosomes and inclusion bodies. 8.4.1 Cell envelope and its modifications, composed of three layers. Glycocalyx, outermost, can be a loose slime layer or a thick capsule. Cell wall provides shape and protection. Plasma membrane semi-permeable. Mesosomes, in foldings of plasma membrane, help in respiration, DNA replication. Flagella, motility structure. Pele and fimbriae, attachment and conjugation. 8.4.2 Ribosomes and inclusion bodies. Ribosomes, sites of protein synthesis, type 70S with 50S and 30S subunits. Inclusion bodies, reserve materials, glycogen, phosphate, etc. Non-membranous. 8.5 Eukaryotic cells found in protists, fungi, plants, animals, large size, complex structure, possess a defined nucleus and membrane bound organelles, genetic material enclosed within the nuclear envelope, components, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, organelles. 8.5.1 Cell membrane composed of lipid bilayer with embedded proteins, fluid mosaic model, also called plasma membrane, semi-permeable, functions, transport, signaling, protection, transport mechanisms, passive, diffusion, osmosis, active, requires ATP. 8.5.2 Cell wall found in plant cells, fungi, bacteria, not in animals. Plant cell wall, cellulose, fungi, chitin, middle lamella, pectin, cement cells. Primary and secondary cell wall, functions, support, protection, prevents bursting. 8.5.3 Endomembrane system includes Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuoles, coordinates protein and lipid synthesis, transport. 8.5.3.1 The endoplasmic reticulum network of membranes, types, Rough RER with ribosomes synthesizes proteins. Smooth SER lipid synthesis detoxification. 8.5.3.2 Golgi Apparatus stack of flattened sacs cisternae modifies, stores and packages proteins, lipids, forms lysosomes and secretory vesicles. 8.5.3.3 Lysosomes membrane bound vesicles with hydrolytic enzymes, digestive function, autophagy and heterophagy. 8.5.3.4 Vacuoles store substances, food, waste, etc. Plant cells, large central vacuole, tonoplast membrane, animal cells, small vacuoles. 8.5.4 Mitochondria, double membrane bound, powerhouse of the cell, inner membrane forms cristae, site of aerobic respiration, contains its own DNA and 70 S ribosomes, semi-autonomous. 8.5.5 Plastids, present in plant cells, types, chloroplast, photosynthesis, contain chlorophyll, chromoplast, colored pigments, leucoplast, storage, starch oil protein, chloroplast structure, double membrane, thylakoids, grana, stroma. 8.5.6 Ribosomes, sites of protein synthesis, non-membranous, types, 80S in eukaryotes, 70S in organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast, found free in cytoplasm or attached to RER. 8.5.7 Cytoskeleton, network of microtubules and microfilaments, functions, mechanical support, movement of organelles, cell shape and motility. 8.5.8 Cilia and Flagella, hair-like outgrowths from the cell surface, cilia short, numerous, flagella long, few. 9 plus 2 arrangement of microtubules. 8.5.9 Centrosome and Centrioles, found in animal cells, absent in plant cells. Centrosome, region with a pair of centrioles, helps in cell division, spindle formation. 8.5.10 Nucleus, control center of the cell, components, nuclear envelope, double membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, ribosome production, chromatin, DNA plus protein, forms chromosomes during division. 8.5.11 Microbodies, small single membrane organelles. Examples, peroxisomes, detoxify hydrogen peroxide, glyoxysomes, present in germinating seeds, plants. Summary, cells are structural and functional units of life. Prokaryotic cells are simple, eukaryotic cells are complex. Organelles perform specific functions. Cell theory emphasizes the cellular basis of life. The structure of organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, etc. is vital for understanding their roles. Cytoskeleton, cilia and flagella provide movement and structure. Vacuoles and microbodies assist in storage and metabolic functions. So friends, we have completed short notes and summary of chapter 8, Cell, the unit of life. We will do question answers of this chapter in a separate video, will be short. So stay tuned. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. You can support me with channel membership and super thanks. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.